How to use YouTube A/B testing thumbnails. To use the YouTube's A/B testing thumbnails, you simply have to go ahead and open YouTube Studio on your desktop web browser, or simply open your mobile web browser and set your web browser settings to the desktop side by tapping on this three-dotted menu icon. Now, once you are here within the website itself, you simply have to log into your account, then tap on this three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. From here, you should be able to find the content tab. Go ahead and tap on this. Now you simply have to go ahead and select your video from here. Once you find your video, all you have to do is go ahead and tap the pencil-like icon or the edit button. From there, scroll down to the standard thumbnail upload section, then click these three vertical dots. From there, you should be able to find the test and compare button. Go ahead and tap on it. From there, within the thumbnail A, you simply have to add your original thumbnail, and within the B, click in upload to insert your second distinct design concept, and within the thumbnail C, once again click upload and add third choice to test simultaneously. Now tap done and click save, and you now simply have to monitor and analyze the results. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.